Hey, how's everybody doing? You're coming along. We're going to the store. Say hi, babe.
Hey, what's up, people? How you doing? Yeah, we're doing one of those.
See who's with us, everybody. Driving me crazy.
Peace, peace. Peace and love.
We have arrived at the Wally Mart. I don't know if you can see it. I know. But Miss Food's driving me crazy.
What's the box? You ready for this?
The Wally Mart.
Open it up.
Driving me nuts.
Okay,
At the Wally Mart.
Okay.
Unbelievable.
Man, huh?
Need what?
To water your plants, your roses.
Oh, I might, yeah.
Put on to garden.
Maybe we could see if they have different ones or.
Let's see what they have in the garden.
Go through here to see the it's right there. Get that small bag.
What? This one?
Yep.
What do you need? Grab it?
Look at all these nice things. This one is the one that we need to put in front of the house because it's bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Those are nice.
Yeah, sure, but you gotta think about me when I'm cutting the grass and gotta move them all around.
Yeah.
Like that.
So pretty, these things for the birds. Let's see.
It's okay. It's okay. See, Mama?
Leaving Walmart.
One. There's only one place to get your soil. Where's the brother? Where's your brother?
Leaving Walmart now, going back to the car. That was fast. Walmart's like maybe 5 minutes from my house. How's everybody's head? Just leaving Walmart. Had to go get a new SD card for my video camera. I can't shop with that. I would like to get me a new laptop, but I can't shop with it like that. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow.
Store. And we're back. We're back, people. That was a fast in and out type of thing in the store. I know you guys have done that before.
Yeah, especially when somebody seems like they have to use the bathroom.
Yes, indeed, she does. Breathing all hard. She hasn't even. All I did was push you. How you gonna be out of breath? How you gonna be out of breath? But then, explain that to me.
I know she was in the carriage all the time, so I don't know how she's out of breath.
Maybe somebody out there.
She hasn't noticed there's two dogs in that car in front of us. There's two doggies.
No, she hasn't.
No.
Yeah. Two white
Two doggies in the front.
Oh, you surprised me. You spying on me? Don't do that. You scared me. Oh. Mira, todo eso salió.
Everybody.
Choked out.
I don't know if you can see, but hey, mama. Too much. So guys, we just got home from Walmart. I'm gonna make some spinach and mozzarella ravioli. Never had it, but I think I'll like it. Probably with some fried chicken. I'll show you how I do that. Nice cold Magda. Hi guys, making pork chops with the ravioli spinach with mozzarella on them. So I washed my pork chops. I'm gonna season them now. Put a little olive oil. Vinegar. Eat a bit. Not too much. Eat a bit. Okay. Tomato bowl. Black pepper. We're gonna put the two sisters, which is garlic and onion powder. Sorry for the rough treatment. The two sisters. I wasn't sure you'd accept a more formal invitation. Put a little bit of Italian seasoning. Just to make it look pretty. Pretty. Packet of sazon. Before I put my hands in here to mix, I'm gonna get my pan ready though with the oil so it can get hot. And we're gonna cover all these things back up because we still have clean hands and we don't want to touch all of this stuff. Dirty hands. I also have some spinach and mozzarella ravioli, my first time eating it and making it, so I'm hoping it'll come out good. I'm also gonna put a little bit of this sazon. It's the white sazon. It gives it a lot of flavor. Hi guys, so the spinach ravioli came with this little packet of Parmesan and herb packet. So what I'm gonna try to do is like an Alfredo sauce to put over the raviolis, and I'll show you how I do that. Okay.
How many close ups are there? Good.
I don't know, like 2 for each.
No, I'm just trying to see if I could, if I have to, make her food.
Nah, she could. It'll be enough for her. Talking to my husband, guys. Raviolis are boiling. So what I'm gonna do is try to make the Alfredo sauce. Alright guys, so I have like 2 tablespoons of butter in a small saucepan, and I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons of garlic to the butter. garlic. Let the garlic cook inside the butter. Then when that garlic cooks inside that butter, we're gonna add some heavy cream and then the Parmesan mixture that it came with and some Parmesan, grated Parmesan that I'm gonna put in, grate in there. I have a little piece left, so. A little bit of black pepper and a dash of salt because I believe that sauce, that Parmesan packet is probably salty. So just a little bit. Here goes the packet, but I'm also gonna add a little bit extra cheese. Show you how that looks in a second. This is how the Alfredo sauce is starting to look, guys. I'll show you after I add the cheese. Guys, this is my Alfredo sauce. I'm hoping you can see it. It's gonna be a hard one to do, guys. I'll show you. I ended up with all this extra Alfredo sauce that I'm gonna probably put away for tomorrow. Not sure, but there it goes. First set of pork chops are done. There goes the ravioli with the Alfredo sauce. It's gonna be good. Guys, the Alfredo sauce is so good. If you want the recipe for the Alfredo sauce, please let me know and I'll give you the recipe. I just want to make sure that you guys are watching, okay? Then I'll put the recipe on. How about that? All right. Guys, where did the day go so fast? 5 o'clock. I'm on vacation this week and it's going like that. Here we go, guys. Spinach and mozzarella ravioli. Made my own Alfredo sauce and pork chops. Yummy! Guys, this is how it looks inside. Spinach and mozzarella, and I made my own Alfredo sauce. Very good.